Are you ready to file your 2024 income taxes but feeling stuck when it comes to reporting investments with a T5008 slip? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through filing your taxes online using TurboTax, specifically focusing on how to correctly enter T5008 information. By the end, you'll feel confident and completely prepared to submit your return and get the refund you deserve. Getting started on TurboTax. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, click Create an Account. It only takes a few minutes. Signing in is key because it lets you save your progress securely and unlocks personalized features that make filing faster next time. Navigating the dashboard. Once inside, you'll land on the tax homepage. Think of this as your central control panel. For most Canadians with straightforward returns, the TurboTax Free Edition for 2024 works perfectly. Click to start a new 2024 return and you're ready to go. Entering personal information. Next, head to the My Info section. Here you'll enter your full name, current address, social insurance number, and filing status. Double-check everything for accuracy. One typo can delay your refund. Continue to your personal profile, where you'll add employment details, residency information, and any dependents. This section is crucial because TurboTax uses it to calculate the deductions and credits you qualify for reporting your income. Now it's time to enter your income. Start with your T4s for employment earnings, then add any interest or dividends if applicable. For your investments, locate the T5008 Statement of Securities Transactions section. This slip summarizes your stock or bond sales. Click Add T5008 and carefully type in the details from each slip: the name of the security, quantity, proceeds of disposition, and adjusted cost base if provided. If you sold multiple investments, you'll have a separate T5008 for each. TurboTax lets you add as many as you need. Accurate numbers here are vital because they determine your capital gains or losses, directly affecting the tax you owe or the refund you receive. When all income is entered, click Review/Edit. TurboTax will run a final check and flag anything that might cause issues. Make sure every T5008 entry matches your slip exactly. Once everything looks good, follow the prompts to submit electronically through NetFile. You'll receive an instant confirmation that the CRA has accepted your return. And that's it. You've successfully filed your taxes with your T5008 information included. Remember, accuracy is the key to avoiding delays and maximizing your refund. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who invest, and subscribe for more straightforward tax and finance guides. Good luck with your 2024 return, and I'll see you in the next video.